Hello! The following are directions on how to use NewSafe's do-it-yourself Red X anti-slip treatment for slippery floors. When you receive the product, it will come packaged like this. 1 gallon of Red X in a box. Included also will be a Doodlebug with a scrub pad for product application, an MSDS, a data sheet, an installation sheet, and a video disc outlining the procedures for installing. The installation will take about 1.5 hours to 2 hours to complete. It is important that you let everyone know that you will be closing the restrooms during this time, so no one will walk on the floors while the installation is taking place. Red X must not be allowed to dry when performing the treatment. Once the product is applied to the floor surface, it can stay on the floor for as long as 45 minutes before rinsing off. Starting out, you need to get all the tools you will need to do the installation. Here is the list you will need. A broom and a dustpan to sweep up the debris. A mop bucket and a mop wringer. Make sure it is clean and has no oily residue. Mop bucket needs to be empty. A clean mop head. Do not use a mop head that is dirty. The mop head should be dry since it is new. Attach this to the mop handle as usual. A wooden pole that will be used to attach the Doodlebug. You can use a pole that is threads or just a tapered pole like you use for a deck brush. 2 clean walk-off rags or mats that can be placed at the outside of each restroom door. These towels are used to wipe off your feet when entering or exiting the restrooms while doing the installations. A Doodlebug and pad from the box. One gallon of Red X. Rubber gloves for safety. And safety glasses. Now we are ready with the preparation. Using the broom, completely sweep the restroom floors, making sure to get all the corners and get the debris off the floor. Pick this up using a dustpan. Remove anything that may be on the floors in the restrooms. Trash cans, plungers, toilet bowl cleaners, and anything else. You do not want anything to get in your way once you begin applying the Red X to the floors. You are now ready to begin the anti-slip treatment to the floors. Put on the gloves and the safety glasses. Safety first. Place the mop bucket in the restroom that you're going to begin the application in. Take the gallon of Red X and empty the entire gallon into the mop bucket. Be careful not to allow it to splash up and come onto the floor. This can be accomplished by positioning the gallon jug close to the mop bucket. Do not dilute the Red X. Use it directly from the gallon bottle. Place the new mop head into the solution so it gets completely saturated with the Red X. Do not slosh around. Put the Doodlebug onto the wooden handle and secure by tightening clockwise. Now look at your watch so that you know when you started. It's time to apply the Red X to the floor. Now we're starting the application. Starting in the back of the restroom, take the mop out of the bucket without wringing it out. This will allow you to have enough Red X on the floor to get the anti-slip to begin to work. It is very important that you use only half of the gallon of Red X in each bathroom, so be cautious and don't wring the mop out when putting Red X on the floor. After the entire floor in the first bathroom is soaking in Red X, using the Doodlebug, start scrubbing the floor in the area that you began putting the Red X on the floor. Now push down and scrub the floor aggressively. Remember, the Red X will remain on the floor for 30 to 45 minutes. Repeat steps 1 and 2, applying the Red X and scrubbing the second bathroom floor. After scrubbing second bathroom, take the mop to the mop sink and pour remaining chemical into the drain, running water while you do this. Completely rinse out mop, bucket, Doodlebug and Doodlebug pad, then fill mop bucket with hot water to return to rinse the floor. Remember, use only hot water. Do not use any chemicals. Return to the first bathroom and start dry mopping the floor to pick up the remaining Red X solution. Continue to rinse out your mop. When the water becomes dirty, return to the kitchen and get new water. Lastly, replace all items like trash cans, plungers, etc. that you have removed when beginning the installation. Your floors are now safer when wet for your customers and for your fellow staff members. If you have any questions about this video or this installation, please call 1-800-275-7771 and thank you.